Okay, class, today's worksheet, we're going to focus on solving proportions. If you recall, proportion are two fractions separated by an equal sign. So we're going to do three examples, starting with number 1. So we have 7 over 9 equals 3 over z. So 7 over 9 equals 3 over v. Alright, so we cross multiply with proportions. So 9 times 3, that's going to give us 27, equals 7 times v, that's going to be 7v. Divide both sides by 7, and you're going to get v equaling 27 over 7. If you plug that into your calculator, you're going to get approximately 3.86, which is D. Okay, now we're going to move to problem number 11. Alright, so we have 10 over 5 equals 8 over b minus 6. Okay, same idea. We got a proportion, so we cross multiply. So 5 times 8, that's going to give us 40. And then we have 10 times b minus 6. So we're going to say 10 times, and then we're going to put the b minus 6 in parentheses. Okay, so now we have to distribute this 10. So we have 40 equaling 10b minus 10 times negative 6. 10 times negative 6 is negative 60. Alright, now we'll solve for b, so we have to add 60 to both sides. So you have 100 equaling 10b. Divide both sides by 10. So b equals 10. Alright, so your answer for number 11 is D. Okay, the last one that we're going to do is number 20. So you have 10 over 8 equals n over n minus 1. So cross multiply. So you have 8 times n is 8n. 10 times n minus 1. 10 times n minus 1. So we put the n minus 1 in parentheses. Distribute. So 10 times n is 10n. 10 times negative 1 is negative 10. Alright, and now what I want to do is, so we have the variables. We have an 8n on this side, a 10n on this side. So we're going to subtract the smaller n, number of n's. So that's 8n. So we're gonna move the 8n to the other side to keep the variable positive. All right, and now we have to move the 10 over to this side. So we have 10 equals 2n. Divide by 2. So 10 over 2 is 5. The 2's cancel, so n equals 5. And so for for number 20, the correct answer is C. Alright, so this worksheet, solving proportions, along with the worksheet that was due yesterday on solving equations, those two topics are going to be part of your quiz on Friday.